Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 7th of May 2024. The Sensex was down 383.69 points or 0.52% at 73,511.85, and the Nifty was down 143.95 points or 0.62% at 22,298.75. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were HUL, Tech Mahindra, Nestle. While losers were Bajaj Auto, Power Grid Corp, Bajaj Auto, ONGC. Talking about the corporate segment, we have PAYTM shares continue to see relentless selling, falling for the 9th straight session. The fintech firm's stock was locked at the 5% lower circuit as 56 lakh shares changed hands on BSE and NSE combined so far in the day, compared to the one-month average trading volume of 17 lakh shares. The recent fall comes after the news of the company's chief operating officer and President Bhavish Gupta resigning from his position, as announced by the company on May 5. However, the stock has been under pressure since January 31 when the Reserve Bank of India asked the company's associate arm PAYTM Payments Bank to halt its key banking services. This was followed by the departure of the PAYTM Payments Bank MD and CEO Surinder Chawla. Shares of Route Mobile, a cloud communications platform service provider, slumped 5% in early trade on May 7 as the company's quarter four results disappointed the street. Struggling through several one-off pressures, the company's net profit for the March quarter declined 9% on year to 95.2 rupees crore. Brokerages said headwinds, including weakness in the company's subsidiaries of Mr. Messaging, Europe, and Massivian, Latin America, along with the devaluation of the Nigerian currency were a major drag on Route Mobile's earnings. Shares of TITAGARH rail up nearly 5%. International brokerage Morgan Stanley initiated coverage on TITAGARH rail systems with an overweight rating, stating that the firm will be a beneficiary of the revival in the Indian railways. Morgan Stanley issued a target price of 1,285 rupees per share, which indicates an upside of around 24%. The valuation is 35x financial year 2026 PE, which Morgan Stanley said is fair given strong earnings visibility and improving return ratios. CARTRADE tech shares surged over 5%, extending the previous session's handsome gains. The 15% sharp spike in 2 days comes after the company on May 6 reported a net profit jump of 50% to 22.5 rupees crore for the quarter ended March 2024. The company's revenue surged 51% YOY to 145.27 rupees crore, largely helped by OLX's classifieds business. CARTRADE Tech operates an automotive digital ecosystem which connects automobile customers, OEMs, dealers, banks, insurance companies, and other stakeholders. The company owns and operates under several brands: CARTRADE, CarWhale, and AutoBiz. Shares of LUPIN slumped around 4% on May 7 after the company reported lower than expected rise in its quarter four financial year 2024 net profit, dragged by a spike in raw material costs. The drug maker recorded a net profit of 359.4 rupees crore for the March quarter, well below CNBC TV18's estimate of 498.9 rupees crore. However, the bottom line was up 52% year-on-year from 235.96 rupees crore clocked in the same period last year. The street was expecting an even higher net profit from the drug maker, largely led by hopes of a strong push from its blockbuster asthma drug Spiriva. Pashupati Kotspin Limited in daily time frame is trading around 128.50 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 51.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 112.67, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.44. Niden Laboratories and Healthcare Limited in daily time frame is trading around 39.15 points with a change of 19.981% and is trading with a net volume of around 682,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 32.73, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.48. Trans Warranty Finance Limited in daily time frame is trading around 15.25 points with a change of 19.61% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.07 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 12.73, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.25. For the stock recommendation we have, Nosal Limited looks good and can be bought at 265 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 256 rupees and a target of 272 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.